Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? I hope you always healthy today and every day. Okay, the first I will introduce myself. My full name's Ira Azizah. You can call me Ira. I'm studying Diploma 3 Nursing Aisyah Bandung University. In this video, I will briefly explain about tips and trick listening to TOEFL skill 1 and 2. Okay, here we go. Listening section in TOEFL is divided into three parts. Part A, short dialogue, two, short dialogue among two speakers, a man and a woman. There is one question after the dialogue. Part B, longer conversation among two speakers. There are some questions after the conversation. And part C, talk or speech monologue. There are some questions after the talks, example, lecture, scientist, and etc. Okay, next. Listening section in part A, there are six skills. Number one, restatement. Number two, negatives. Number three, suggestion. Number four, passive. Number five, conclusion, who and where. And number six, expression of agreement. Okay, in here, tips and trick listening to fall. Uh, Number one, focus on the second line. Number two, keep in mind that the correct answer is probably a restatement of the key word in the second line of the conversation. Number three, keep in mind that certain structures and expressions are used regularly in listening part A. Listen to the structures and expression. And number four, if you don't understand the complete conversation, you can find the correct answer. Uh, the number one, if you only understood a few words or idea in the second line, choose the answer that contains a restatement of those word or idea. And the last, if you didn't understand anything at all in the second line of the conversation, choose the answer that sounds the most different from what you hear. Okay. In here, skill one, restatement. The best strategy, choose answer with restatement. Number one, as you listen to the second line of the conversation, you should focus on the key idea in that line. Number two, if you see a restatement of the key ideas in a particular answer, then you have probably found the correct answer. And number three, don't choose answer with words that sound similar to the words on the recording. Okay, in here, example for the skill one, a woman says, Sam, you've been working at the computer for hours. And man says, yes, and I need to take a break. And Arthur says, what does the man mean? Okay, in here my answer is B. Why? Because from the second speaker, man says, I need to take a break. Take a break, the same meaning as relax. Okay? Okay, skill 2, negative statement. The most common kind of the correct response to a negative statement is a positive statement containing a word with an opposite meaning. Okay, if you found the sentence example, Tom is not sad about the result. Correct answer, Tom is happy about the result. Negative expression, not sad, negative statement, and happy, positive statement. Okay, and the second, the door isn't open. Correct answer, the door is closed. Negative expression, not open, negative statement, and close, positive statement. And the last, Steve didn't pass the class. Correct answer, Steve failed the class. Negative expression, didn't pass negative statement and failed positive statement. Okay, here is an example of a negative statement. Man says, "Have you ever come early for class?" Woman says, "At no time have I ever come to class on time." And Arthur says, "What does the woman mean?" In here, my answer is D. Why? Because from the second speaker, woman says, "At no time have I ever come to class on time." The same meaning as she always comes to class late. Okay, okay, it's enough. Thank you for your attention. Sorry for all my mistake. I hope you understand what I explained. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.